A project charter is a document that formally authorizes a project and provides a high-level view of project's objectives, stakeholders, and deliverables. It is a critical component of project integration management. The project charter serves as a foundation for the project, providing a clear and concise overview of project's purpose and objectives, as well as the roles and responsibilities of the project stakeholders. The Develop Project Charter process is the first step in the project integration management process and involves creating the project charter. This process includes identifying the project stakeholders, defining the project's objectives and deliverables, and outlining the project's scope, schedule, and budget. The project charter is typically created by the project sponsor or a representative from the project steering committee, with input from other key stakeholders such as the project manager, project team members, and subject matter experts. The project charter typically includes the following information: project name and purpose, project objectives and deliverables, project scope including what is included and what is to be excluded, project schedule including the start and end date, project budget including estimated costs and sources of funding, roles and responsibilities of the project stakeholders, including the project manager, project team members, and project sponsor. And last but not the least, project risks and assumptions. Once the project charter is created, it is reviewed and approved by the project sponsor and other key stakeholders such as the project manager and the project team members. Once the project charter is approved, it serves as a foundation for the project, providing a clear and concise overview of project's purpose and objectives, as well as the roles and responsibilities of project stakeholders. The project charter is also a living document that should be reviewed and updated throughout the project as needed. For example, if the project scope changes, the project charter should be updated to reflect the new scope. If new risks or assumptions are identified, they should be added to the project charter. See you in the next lecture.